To install unknown app files on Xiaomi 17T, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the security and privacy, and then move all the way down and click on the more security and privacy options. Go to the special permissions on the top and then find the option called install unknown apps. If you select it, you will see different app names, so select whichever one you want to install unknown apps with. So we're gonna go for the file manager. I think it's the best choice in this case. So here we need to agree to it, wait around 10 seconds and click on OK to unlock installation of the app files. After that, we can go and open the app that we've chosen, and then you will need to find the app file that you want to install, click on it using that specific app, and then it will install. In this case, we should be able to just click on browse, download, and then find the app file right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.